Welcome everybody. It is Crypto Moose and it's time to get loose. Mitchell Bouchard, your crypto and NFT investor. Welcome back to another episode. And what we're going to do specifically is get into why we're seeing the price trickle down. So this is across the board. So we're going to get into that and more. So if you get something out of this, smash a like button. Also subscribe and comment down below. So for those of you that have not seen already, I did an interview with Ken Olling. He is the founder and chairman, I believe, of Meld right now. That's his position. And we had a great long chat talking about Meld, talking about the history, talking about banking, and quite a bit. So we're probably going to be doing a part two. This one seems to be doing quite well, and I want to do a lot more interviews. So let's take a look at CoinMarketCap. Currently, we are at a 63,000 USD Bitcoin, let's call it. So we'll zoom in a touch here as well. And, you know, we've seen quite a bit of a hit. So 12% on Bitcoin. That's quite a bit of a hit there. 20% on ETH. Tether doing all right. Solana good on the week, but it's starting to go down on the day. Today was pretty rough. By the way, we are March 19th of 2024. So we're basically, it's going to be March 20th when you're watching this, I'm assuming. So across the board, you know, ADA is down 20%, Dogecoin down 23%. If we take a look, Jupe is doing all right, the ag, great project. But a lot of big projects are down. A lot of the memes have taken a hit as well. So let's take a look at the memes. And what I'm getting at in this video too, I mean, I'll just get to it right away, is this is very normal in crypto. So I have not sold anything. I'm not planning on selling anything. Nothing in this video should be taken as financial advice. However, I just want to do a video to keep you all updated, let you know that the Moose is drinking his coffee. He's getting loose. The Moose is hitting the weights, right? He's on it. He's doing what he can. But ultimately, when you see the price of Bitcoin go up as much as we have recently, you're going to see the price also come back down. So when you're looking for volatility, when you're experiencing the volatility, it doesn't just go up, it's going to go down as well. But really, I mean, you've seen a lot of the meme tokens, they've gone down quite a bit. So if we go to on the week, you know, some of these projects like Banano, yeah, it's down 50%, but also went up a ton. Same with, what is it, Sponk or Ponk? A bunch of these, right? Like these are, this is why it's dangerous to get into memes and hold memes, because a lot of you, I would assume, some of you bought down here, right? You go up, you make, I mean, this would be like, so we're at what? Let's say 2 cents here. You got in at like less than a penny. You're doing very well. You're like 4, 5, 10, 15, 25. Some of you made like 67x on like, what is it? Woof? No, dog whiff hat, the whiff. I don't own any. Because I know from experience, things like this happen. Because a lot of you, as many of you that bought down here, a lot of you also bought up here and you just lost 50%. Could be 90%, could be everything. So you want to make calculations. That's why I always tell you, yes, I've had moments where I buy snack. I get into the memes. I think it's fun. Some of these projects will do well if you're willing to hold. However, you have to understand the risk. You should not be putting in more than 5-10% of your portfolio into memes. Quite frankly, I don't own any memes right now. I don't own any snack. Maybe I have like, you know, 1,000 snack, but I don't have anything significant in that regard. So I've done videos sharing with you what I own. So this is Banano. I mean, if you guys get wrecked on Banano, you get wrecked on Dog Whiff Hat, that's your fault, right? That's your fault. You're buying stuff like Bonk. Like, what do you guys think's gonna happen? Like, you have to use your head. Like, use your head. Like, you guys buying this cock inu. Come on, it's stupid. This is ridiculous. Literally, that one's ridiculous. Baby Dogecoin. I mean, all I can say is that if you're down right now in memes, just hold, right? That's what I would do. I mean, I'm down on Copia. I'm down on Meld. So let's take a look at Meld. We just did, this is one of my top positions. This is a great time to buy. I can't buy right now. I got to pay for real life stuff. But I keep mentioning, like, this is a great opportunity. You're talking Meld at a penny, 2 pennies. This isn't going to exist forever. You're talking about a 47 mil market cap right now, it looks like. Almost 95% of tokens already out there. I mean, this thing can go to $1. So do the math. This thing's going to do really well. So if you guys haven't seen, definitely, speaking of Meld, I'll get into it. I did a interview. So if we go here to the homepage, it's with Ken Oling here. So check it out. Yeah, this was really cool. We talked about a lot of topics. Those time codes took a while to do. At one point, I'm like, should I just ask him about the Bohemian Grove and just really get loose on this? I'm like, you know what, tone it down. But yeah, we had a great time. So he was open. And Ken even said that he was watching a bunch of previous videos. So he's a fan of the channel, and we support Meld as of late. And I guess I've always supported Meld. So comment down below. Do you still believe in Meld? Some of you don't, which is cool. You guys do whatever you want. Like, watch the channel, get loose. So let's take a look at some of the big boy projects here. So top 10, really, the next one to go is going to be AVAX. AVAX, and when I say go, I mean pump. AVAX could really go here. It hasn't taken too much of a hit. I think AVAX is going to do well. Big reason, Alex Becker. We're only at a 20 bill market cap. The only thing I don't like about AVAX Avalanche is that it's got the P chain, the C chain, and it's so confusing. Like, some of these projects in crypto, it's like you have to make it easy. And I'll give you an example. Solana has always made it easy to use their wallets, to use their DEX. So even on my phone here, I can show you. I imported my seed for hot wallet. I barely have anything in this particular wallet, but the Phantom wallet is sexy. It's awesome, right? Like, this thing's fantastic. It just works the way that you want a wallet to work. I'm not endorsing Solana by any means, but I've been using Solana and I test out different blockchains. You guys comment down below, but I love the Jupe aggregator and it continues to get better and better and better. I wish I would have received the airdrop, but I've done a video on how you could get the next tier of airdrops potentially. So here I've got some render. I have about, let's just say I have 5 Solana. So not much, but it's a decent amount. It's, like $800 USD. I took half of my Sol. So I got 2.5 Sol, and I took the other half and I put it on Render. So Render is a project that I like. It could be a big play for the AI space. We're getting into data and whatnot. So that could be cool. But point being is that you're going to have cross-chain swaps, and I've been talking about the interoperability with different layer 1s and whatnot. So AVAX, in my opinion, could be the next one to go. But for example, Solana, way easier to use. Cardano's easier to use. Ethereum's easier to use. But, I mean, you get smacked in the face with those gas fees. Like, I mean, you might as well have a Canadian carbon credit like what we have coming like in April. So just unbelievable. I'm going to stop paying gas and I'll just start. I mean, gas fees might be cheaper on Ethereum than they are in real life in Canada. So you guys comment down below. Like, I'm not even going to be able to pick up any Tim Hortons. So the Moose is not even going to have any energy to do videos. So you guys can, we'll talk about that in a different episode. It's not like things are very cheap. It's not like, houses are $2 million in Canada, probably everywhere else, right? So Moose is getting loose, baby. I actually need to make a coffee, but whatever. I'm going to do a quick thing here as well. So for those of you that do not have a hardware wallet, I've got a link tree. So instead of doing it at the end of the video, I want to do it now. So I've got these links. Guys, head over to my link tree. I've got it pinned in the comments below. It can also be found in the description of this video. Pick up a Trezor Model T. If you do not own a hardware wallet, and if you got $1,000 in crypto, protect yourself with this great wallet. I do not have a link for this wallet, but again, the point is I want you to protect your crypto. So this is a Ledger Nano S Plus, fantastic wallet. And my favorite as of late is the Tangem. The Tangem's great, simple, easy to use. So if you're someone that uses your phone and you want to get into getting your keys offline, not having a hot wallet, you want to get the Tangem. So, the Tangem has been great. So I just wanted to let you know. We also have online courses. Check out socials. Get in the Discord. I've been working at getting videos earlier to people in the Discord. So if you go under here, under Crypto Moose Discord server, I've been setting the videos so that you can watch it before everyone else. So when I start giving my top 5 picks, you're going to want to be in there. So I've been working at that as well. So getting back, let's get into the memes for a second. So we get the memes, okay? The moose is loose. The moose is a little bit pissed off today for many reasons. We'll talk about it later down the road. Book of meme, boom. Let's see, MAGA Trump. We got Trump token there, unbelievable. Pepe, we got Woof. Woof I talked about a long time ago. I did a little bit of a video on that. So let's talk about what's down, what's up. So if we take a look at what's up, because we got to look at the positive side as well. There's Book of Meme, boom. So this is something, again, where it's very risky, guys. You're talking about almost $1 billion market cap. Why is this up? Anyways, very dangerous. I would just really question why you're buying memes. And if you are going to get in the memes, I recommend either hold it for 5 years or be willing to hold it till it at least goes up. Or, get in and out. You never want to be in that middle phase, right? With pretty much any crypto. You either want to buy it and hold it for like 5-10 years, or you want to buy it and get out right away. So you guys can comment down below if you agree with that or not. So memes, they're just taking a hit like everything else. Solana ecosystem, everything's looking good. We got USDM on, actually, I'll bring it up as well. Might as well. USDM, I think it's Mayhem or Mayhem. I don't know how to spell it. So I have initial opinions on this. I think this website looks like crap. This is garbage. I'm just being honest. I'm not here to trash man, but I could build a website like this, and I use like Wix. So you guys comment down below, but this website does not impress me. Can this be found on MinSwap? Like I've been on the Dex aggregator. I've been on Dex Hunter. In getting the USDM, like the fluctuation's insane. Like I want a good stable coin on Cardano that I can get in and out of like right now. So guys, comment down below if you're able to do that. Currently, I'm not. I'm just not impressed yet. So final things, let's get into ADA. Let's get into the price point of ADA, where we've been, where we're going. So we're at under 60 cents now officially, again. And when you zoom out, we're up quite a bit from our bottom here. So I would just chill. Nothing bad has happened. This is a normal correction. In fact, this is what happens when you're, pre-halving. 20, 30, 40, 50 days out. This is very normal. We could go a little bit lower. I don't know if we will. It's tough to say because we got the IBIT ETF, etc. But just expect the volatility in crypto. If you want to get the massive gains, you got to be willing to endure these, these little losses, if you will. I just recommend to buy and hold. That's what HODL's for. Hold on for dear life. This is the prime example of that, and I'm here to encourage you that I've seen this, I've been through this, I've been through much worse than this. I haven't been crying in my car, but it's happened before. So just want to spread some positivity. And guys, we'll see you in the next one, okay? So we got a few videos coming out this week, and that's it. Moose is loose.